Guys, we're gonna do another how many burps can I do, because it also got like I think 90 views, which is pretty good. So we're gonna check something called Clark and Sons, or I thought it says Clarksons, but I guess no. With sugar and non-nutritive sweetener. But a lot of the other brands we've tried is like they're saying like they're the best collagen ever and they have no preservatives in. This bottle just straight up says they have it in and they don't care. If you remember last time from the video, I burped like crazy, okay? We can try and maybe get like 20. Don't think we can get 20 actually, but we can try to get better than that. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, my chair is squeaking so much. This actually does taste pretty good. Freaking cat's mowing outside my door, but I don't care, okay? Quarter left. Oh, brain freeze. It's summer right now, so I'm probably gonna do way more chugging water videos, because in the winter, chugging water videos are very hard to record, because it's cold, and I mean, obviously I'm not gonna drink warm drinks, except hot chocolate. And with this on, we almost done. I think we're on 9 burps. I don't know, but you guys would see like a counter, like I think here or here, you guys would see a counter, so you guys would know how much. I think I'm on 9, but I'm really not sure. Done. Oh, stomach cramp. This is all of it's done. That wasn't that difficult to chug. In this video, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, get this video to 80 views in a week, and I'll do another one. And yeah, till next time.